Irrigation techniques and water management. Water is essential for growing crops, but simply applying it isn't enough anymore. With increasing populations and changing climates, efficient water management through smart irrigation techniques is crucial for sustainable agriculture. Historically, farmers relied on flood irrigation, where entire fields were covered with water. While simple, this method wastes a significant amount of water due to evaporation, runoff, and uneven distribution. Modern approaches focus on delivering water directly to plant roots, minimizing loss and maximizing effectiveness. These include methods like surface drip irrigation and sprinkler systems. One popular technique is surface drip irrigation. This involves laying thin-walled tubes with small holes directly on the soil's surface, near the plant's root zones. Water slowly drips out, providing a consistent moisture level without soaking surrounding areas. Another common method is overhead sprinkler irrigation, which uses nozzles to spray water over crops like grain. While more efficient than flood irrigation, sprinklers can still lose water through evaporation, especially in hot and windy conditions. More advanced systems utilize subsurface drip irrigation, burying the tubes underground for even greater efficiency by reducing evaporation and weed growth. However, even with these improved techniques, challenges remain. One major problem is salinization. When water evaporates, it leaves behind salts in the soil, which can eventually harm plant growth and reduce crop yields. Another issue is the cost of implementing these systems. Drip irrigation requires an initial investment in tubes, filters, and pumps that smaller farms may find difficult to afford. Furthermore, maintaining these systems, checking for leaks, cleaning filters, and ensuring proper water pressure demands time and expertise. Fortunately, solutions are emerging to address these problems. To combat salinization, farmers can use leaching, a process of applying extra water to flush salts below the root zone. They can also select salt-tolerant crop varieties. Regarding cost, government subsidies and microfinance programs are becoming more available to help farmers invest in efficient irrigation technologies. Additionally, simpler, low-cost drip systems made from recycled materials are being developed for smaller farms. Smart technology like soil moisture sensors and automated controllers are also helping optimize water usage, reducing both waste and labor costs. Ultimately, successful water management isn't just about how we irrigate, but also about understanding the specific needs of the crop and the local environment. Combining appropriate irrigation techniques with careful monitoring, preventative measures against issues like salinization, and accessible financial support will be vital for ensuring food security in a world facing increasing water scarcity. The future of agriculture depends on adopting these practices to use this precious resource responsibly. Vocabulary list. Questions. Choose T if the statement is true based on the passage, and F if it is false. 1. Flood irrigation is considered a very efficient method for watering crops today. 2. Surface drip irrigation delivers water directly to plant roots using thin-walled tubes. 3. Sprinkler systems are always more effective than surface drip irrigation, regardless of the weather conditions. 4. Salinization refers to the process where soil becomes too wet and plants cannot grow. 5. Subsurface drip irrigation is less efficient than overhead sprinkler irrigation because it relies on gravity. 6. The The passage suggests that implementing modern irrigation systems can be expensive for some farmers. 7. Leaching involves adding salt to the soil to help plants grow better. 8. Government subsidies are mentioned as a potential solution to help farmers afford new technologies. 9. Soil moisture sensors can help farmers use water more efficiently by monitoring how dry the soil is. 10. The passage states that understanding the local environment is unimportant when choosing an irrigation technique.